Welcome back, folks, to another exciting episode of our channel. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you. We're diving into the world of financial wisdom and success with none other than the legendary Robert Kiyosaki. Get ready for Robert Kiyosaki's Guide to Richest Living. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Firstly, let's see the power of financial education. The power of financial education, as advocated by Robert Kiyosaki, lies in its potential to transform individuals' financial well-being and ultimately enhance their quality of life. Kiyosaki's philosophy asserts that true wealth and financial independence are not achieved solely through increased effort and hard work, but rather through a deep understanding of how money works and strategic decision-making. Financial education empowers people to make informed choices about saving, investing, and managing their finances. It helps individuals grasp concepts like assets, liabilities, and cash flow, enabling them to distinguish between good and bad financial decisions. Instead of being enslaved by the daily grind of work, financial education teaches individuals how to make their money work for them. This shift in perspective is fundamental to achieving financial security and wealth accumulation. By acquiring financial knowledge, people can build wealth, reduce financial stress, and create opportunities for themselves and their families. Kiyosaki's message underscores that the road to prosperity is paved with financial education, offering the promise of a brighter, more secure future. In essence, it's not about toiling endlessly, but about working smarter and making money an ally in one's journey towards financial success. Moving to the next one is assets versus liabilities. In the realm of personal finance, the differentiation between assets and liabilities is a cornerstone of Robert Kiyosaki's teachings. Understanding this fundamental concept is indeed a game changer. Assets are financial elements that contribute to your wealth by putting money in your pocket. They can take various forms, such as investments, rental properties, stocks, or even a successful business. Assets generate income or appreciate in value over time, enhancing your financial well-being. On the other hand, liabilities are financial components that deplete your wealth by taking money out of your pocket. These typically encompass expenses like mortgages, car loans, credit card debt, or any financial obligation that requires regular payments. Liabilities can erode your financial stability as they demand ongoing financial outflows. Kiyosaki emphasizes that building wealth involves a strategic shift from accumulating liabilities to acquiring income-generating assets. The key is to amass assets that provide positive cash flow and gradually offset or cover your liabilities. This change in perspective can lead to financial independence and security, as it ensures that your money works for you, rather than you working tirelessly just to cover your expenses. However, distinguishing between assets and liabilities is pivotal for making sound financial decisions and achieving long-term prosperity. What do you think about building passive income streams? Let's see. Building passive income streams is a pivotal aspect of Robert Kiyosaki's financial philosophy, offering an alternative to the traditional 9-to-5 work routine. Kiyosaki's strategies revolve around the notion that passive income can liberate individuals from the constraints of conventional employment and pave the way to financial freedom. Passive income, as Kiyosaki advocates, is money earned with minimal ongoing effort. It can be generated through various means, such as investing in income-producing assets like real estate, stocks, or businesses. By investing wisely and cultivating these assets, individuals can create streams of cash flow that are not contingent on trading time for money. Kiyosaki's approach encourages people to shift their focus from solely relying on earned income from a job to diversifying their income sources. By establishing passive income streams, individuals gain more financial security, flexibility, and the potential to escape the grind of a 9-to-5 job. This approach provides the freedom to pursue other interests, spend more time with loved ones, and ultimately design a life aligned with their aspirations. So Kiyosaki's strategies for creating passive income streams offer a pathway to financial autonomy and a departure from the conventional employment model. It empowers individuals to work smarter, not harder, and gain greater control over their financial future. Now let's talk about embracing entrepreneurship. Embracing entrepreneurship is a core tenet of Robert Kiyosaki's financial philosophy. Kiyosaki encourages individuals to seize control of their financial destinies by venturing into entrepreneurship, even if they're beginning with limited resources or experience. This approach is rooted in the belief that becoming an entrepreneur is a potent way to attain financial independence and security. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of developing the mindset and skills necessary for entrepreneurial success. This entails cultivating traits like risk-taking, adaptability, and the ability to learn from failure. It also involves acquiring practical skills in areas such as financial management, marketing, and leadership. Entrepreneurship offers the promise of financial autonomy, as it enables individuals to create their income streams, build assets, and scale their ventures according to their ambitions. It's a departure from the traditional employment model, allowing for greater control over one's financial future. Even if starting from scratch, Kiyosaki's teachings underscore that with determination, continuous learning, and a strategic approach, anyone can embark on the path of entrepreneurship. By doing so, they can chart their course toward financial prosperity, self-reliance, and a life aligned with their aspirations. Entrepreneurship, in Kiyosaki's view, is a means to break free from financial constraints and work towards a more rewarding and self-directed future. Last but not least, let's think about the importance of risk-taking. Robert Kiyosaki underscores the significance of risk-taking as a pivotal component of the path to wealth and financial success. He advocates for the embrace of calculated risk-taking, recognizing that this willingness to venture into the unknown can be the bridge to prosperity. It's not about avoiding risks, but rather understanding and navigating them judiciously. Calculated risks, as Kiyosaki promotes, involve a methodical assessment of potential rewards and downsides before making a decision. This approach entails informed decision-making and strategic planning, reducing the element of blind chance. It's a means to step outside one's comfort zone and explore opportunities that can yield significant financial benefits. Kiyosaki emphasizes that risk is an inherent part of any investment or entrepreneurial endeavor. Avoiding risk entirely often leads to missed opportunities for growth and financial gain. Instead, it's the ability to evaluate and manage risks effectively that sets the path to wealth creation. This includes diversifying investments, seeking professional advice, and staying informed about market trends. However, Kiyosaki's perspective on risk-taking highlights the necessity of embracing calculated risks as a means to achieve financial goals. It encourages individuals to be proactive, analytical, and bold in their financial decisions, recognizing that the rewards of wealth often come to those willing to navigate intelligently through the challenges and uncertainties of the financial world. As we wrap up this enlightening journey into Robert Kiyosaki's guide to richest living, remember that wealth is not just about money, it's about knowledge and mindset. By investing in your financial education, distinguishing assets from liabilities, building passive income, exploring entrepreneurship, and embracing calculated risks, you're well on your way to living your richest life. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Stay wealthy, stay wise, and we'll see you in the next video.